The Katmon Cebu Pride. Oh, and Vivi gets that one to drop on the line.
High speed ng Petrogas rather. So a lot of unforced errors from their side, but a good hit there from Myla Pablo, targeting cross court. Take a look at that again.
And that spike of the set brought to you.
Ivy Laxina. Good first ball.
Wow.
And an even better block at the net.
Another block of the set.
5-3.
Here.
Wala
Yeah,
mapupunta.
sarado.
Good form.
Watch all the action live, on demand, and on any device. Download and register for free. Lots of sports on Pilipinas Live.
Set na maka-get over agad. And next day, tapos na.
Victoria in the middle. Pancake. Kept alive. High sky ball for Kamui. Mukhang marami-rami tayong long rallies, partner. Ganda na depensa na Akari at the net. 4-3 is our score. The set brought to you by East West Bank, the official bank of the PBL All-Filipino Conference.
In third spot with equal number of points, 91 points so far in this tournament. Service ace.
Yep, that was service ace. Sakto sa PLDT. Binitawan na ng mga receivers yun because it looked like it was sailing out, but it clipped the line. Laksi.
6-3, biggest lead. Stopped by Soyun. Right shirts. Combination play. Greta gets it through the block.
There you go, Greta.
We're even at 2 apiece. And Palma. This time Savvy was there and she goes up for the dink.
Yeah. Yung ginawa ni Savvy, but ang layo ng defense na yun.
Batian.
Oo.
Diba? Sa mga video packages natin as Greta gets us going. Robles right away is the first attacker, but it is checked.
So talagang matira-matibay dito. Fatigue and the longevity and the fresh legs, lahat yan kailangan i-consider ng mga teams.
Oy!
Single block.
Well, take a look at that reverse set, but guarding that cross.